Fellow boaters and friends, hello. This is Kyle Roney with MarineMax, Pompano and Palm Beach, Florida. Hope you're doing well today. I wanted to take a moment to invite you on a journey that we're about to embark on. Myself and some other MarineMax team members are heading over to Europe today to visit one of our leading manufacturers. And that's Galeon Yachts. Galeon's been building boats, and they've been an industry leader for a long time. Already, after 3 years with Galeon, they've become a top 10 brand in the US. That's with only 3 years of our representation. It is it's a I'm sitting aboard we'll be spending 2 days with the owners, and I'd love to help answer your questions from Poland. So whatever we have that comes up, if you have a question, if you have an who, what, where, when, why, and how these boats have built. Again, they've been doing it for a long time, 36 years. It is the #1 brand over in Germany. They're a European leader, and the vertical integration that this company does is remarkable. Hey, David, how are you? It's something that we're very proud to be a part of. Again, this relationship that started 3 years ago, as big as MarineMax is and as great as we are, they didn't seek us throughout the trip. I'm going to answer them and respond the best that I can. So we head off soon. Hey, Bill Warner, how you doing, sir?